the middle line is your line of reflection. This is your line of reflection. Now, how can I write it? Is this x-axis or x is equal to -1 or y is equal to -1? Then you're going to look. What is this point from where it crossed the axis? The point is y is equal to negative. So this is reflection over y is equal to -1. Keep in mind.
Y'all have to see the little timer at the bottom. When it gets close to 15 minutes, let me know, or else I won't be able to upload it to YouTube. Okay, do you see how I'm now recording her kind of I have a YouTube channel that I post my recordings to, and then I'll send you the links. Just email me for it. It's only for the two of you. You can share it with your friends, but
Can be rotation 90 degree positive, then it goes.
Everything we say is on there, so shush.
If I put 90 degree negative, it's going to go clockwise. We write with capital R. This is the quadrant. 1, 2, 3, and 4. This is like each quadrant is 90 degrees. One rotation is 90 degrees. And we rotate counterclockwise, it's a positive rotation.
So one quadrant is 90, but 2 is 180, right? Is that what you're saying? And then 3 is 270.
So that I'm going to write here. So one quadrant is 90, it's 90 here. When you rotate one more, 90 plus 90 is 180. 180 plus 90 is 270. And you come back. This is how we do. But if it's clockwise negative, then you're going to start from here. That this is going to be negative 90, negative 180, negative 270, and move on. Same thing here. Rotation is a rigid motion. No change in size, no change in shape. And this is congruent. So all three are rigid motion and congruent because we do not change the size. Now the last one is dilation. Dilation means shrink or enlargement. Like you get big or small picture. And we do have scale factors. And what we do with the scale factor, we always multiply. And this is how we write the dilation.
Yes.
That means if you have any number x and y, and dilation is with the scale factor, so your new points are going to be k times x, comma, k times y. You multiply to each one. That is called the scale factor or dilation. You will get a big or small picture. It depends on the scale factor. If scale factor is greater than 1, you get the enlargement. If it's less than 1, you get the shrink. So now tell me, is this a rigid motion dilation? Yes or no? Anyone from class? What do you think, guys? Dilation is a rigid motion? No, not a rigid motion. This is the only one not a rigid motion. Why? Because you get big or small picture. So congruency is out. So when you see dilation, pictures are no more congruent, they are single. That is good dilation. with this one, I want to work on one more thing is how we work backwards on this type of question. If they say you rotate 90 degrees, you're just going to rotate it. If they say you translate the pre-image 3 unit right, 4 unit down, you're going to just do it. But sometimes they give you the final image and they want you to find the pre-image. So how do you do that question? This is important. So if they give you image is A prime and this is 6 and 8, and how you get here? It's translated 3 unit right and 4 unit down. Okay, and what you need to find? 3 image. That is what we need to find. Then how to do the question like that? If the image is given, translation is given, 3 image you need to find. We are going to write in the right order. We always start from the pre-image, and we know that the transformation happens, and this time the transformation is translation. And what we get the image. Pre-image to image. Make sure you write it down like this first. After doing that, you're going to say, okay, so this is the time when I need to work backwards. When I need to do the opposite. We need to untangle the question. So if you move 3 units to the right and you want to do backward, don't you move 3 units to the left? That is the backward. So do opposite. Instead of moving 3 to the right, move 3 to the left. Instead of moving 4 down, move 4 up. And get the number. So you subtract 3 and you add 4. 6 minus 3 is 3. 8 plus 4 is 12. So this is your initial point from where you started to get. We do the opposite. If you want to write it down, write it down. Do opposite. If they say rotate clockwise, you're going to rotate counterclockwise. If they say scale factor is 2, instead of multiply, you're going to divide. Everything you're going to do opposite whenever the question is like that. Oh, sorry, I do have the decimals. Let me post the link. And now, guys, the review for your final, we are going to work on a decimals, and all decimals questions are very similar to your final test questions. So first we're going to work on unit 1. Let me take the decimals. And Miss Linsky, sorry, I read your email really late.
That's okay. Is it the same? Oh, is it the same? That's okay. Is it the same Desmos as yesterday or a different code?
Yeah, but I'm going to give them a different passcode.
Okay, so I'll get the Desmos, like, generic link.
Yeah. I'm not able to find it. Let me check on this one. Okay. So, you guys, I'm going to post a link in the chat. Okay, I'm gonna give them the direct link. Okay, here you guys go. Click on the link that is at the bottom. It's gonna take you direct to the dashboard that you need to go. Click on the link in chat. Okay, you're gonna start with the question that I'm gonna tell you to do first. We're gonna review chapter-wise chapter. You are going to start with question number 2. I'm gonna write it down also. 2, number 6, number 11, (23) and 26. Yeah, 23 and 26. Okay, here you go. So start with these number of slides. Finish these 5 first. Then I'm gonna review the next one. Okay. The ones who just joined the Zoom, I'm going to send the link again. Yeah. So the students who are at slide number 1 move on to number 2. That's the portion that we are doing. Number 2. Two, 6, 11, 23, 26.
Under that, where should it say something slash electric?
Which number is it? Number 2?
So you'll find the test questions are very similar to this deck.
It says a shrink or enlargement. You can also
Yes,
say
you guys can just answer the question. I can see it here on my screen, your progress.
I have a different one.
And this is how it looks like on my side. So I can see who's here. I can see Maria. Can you move, honey, from screen 1?
Stop this recording for a minute.
Maria.